I'm Patricia Katiki with the Katiki Lifestyle Real Estate Team, and our latest listing in Vic West is so pretty. I can't wait to show it to you guys. The touches in this home are like none you've seen in any Vic West home before. This home has not one, but two primary bedrooms, both with en-suites and beautifully appointed. You've got one on the main floor and one on the upper level. The upper level has the unique feature of having 4 bedrooms all on the same level. This studio is to die for. You've got extra space for guests. You can use it as an income generator or a home office. So many options. You've got 3 private patio areas surrounding the home. You're less than a 10-minute walk to downtown. You're a stone's throw from Banfield Park and the beach, and you're 2 minutes walking to the Vic West Village. Do not miss your opportunity to check out this jewel of a home. Reach out today to book your private viewing.